Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Absolutely Creative. I'm Swathi. Please subscribe and click on the bell icon to never miss any video. You can also follow me on my social media to stay updated. Today here is another collaboration video on occasion of our Independence Day with my friend Priti. She's from Kolkata, India. Her channel is called Krazzy4DIY, where she makes a variety of cool DIY recipes and craft videos. So today Priti and I decided to collaborate and make two amazing videos on both of our channels. We made Independence Day special 2 Tricolor Dessert recipes on her channel Krazzy4DIY, which you have to go and visit her channel and check out using the link mentioned in my description box below. And today on my channel we are doing 2 Independence Day special DIY crafts. So let's welcome my friend Priti with her amazing DIY craft.
Thank you, Swathi. It feels great to be here. Hello friends, I'm Priti and my channel name is Krazzy4DIY. It features easy DIY projects such as crafts, gift ideas, yummy recipes, etc. Do check that out. And for today's video, I'll be making this tricolor keychain which can also be used for decoration and giveaways. So let's begin.
To make this keychain, first we'll need a mount board. We need to make 6 circles with radius 6 cm, 5 cm, 4 cm, 3 cm, 2 cm and 1 cm. So with 6 cm radius, we draw a circle, then 5 cm radius, 4 cm, 3 cm, 2 cm and last circle with 1 cm radius, like so. Now we'll extract these circles, but we shall discard the crossed and shaded ones and use only these 3 circles. Now we have 3 rings and we'll need 3 colored yarns or embroidery floss. I have them in orange, white and green, the color of Indian flag, and glue. And now we need to wrap the yarns around the rings. The bigger one with orange, medium ring in white and smaller in green. So we start with the bigger ring. First we apply a little bit of glue and tie a knot with the yarn. And now we start rolling them around the ring as tight as possible, like so. And we shall cover the entire circumference. And when we reach the end, tie another knot and cut the excess, and our orange ring is ready. Similarly, I have wrapped the other rings in white and green. Now with the help of needle and thread, we shall connect the rings, securing every ring in place by tying a knot. And now we shall place these small pearls in the center and continue connecting the rings till the top. And this is how it will look. The rings keep rotating. Now we shall take the feathers, orange, blue and green. We'll take 4 of orange, 2 of blue and 4 of green, like so. We shall tie them together and attach them to the bottom of our rings. Like so. And lastly, we need to attach the keyring on the top. You can take the ring from any old keychain or can buy from any stationery store. And it's done. Our Tricolor Independence Day special keychain is ready.
For more such videos, do subscribe my channel, like, share and comment on my videos and stay tuned.
That's a really cool DIY craft idea. Well done, Priti. Now it's my turn to show you all a DIY craft, that is how to make a DIY tricolor patch. So these were the two fun DIY Independence Day craft to make on 15th August. I hope you all enjoyed this video. I thank Priti for this awesome collaboration. Please hit that like button and share our videos with your friends and family, and also don't forget to subscribe to both of our channels for lots of creative videos. See you all in my next video.